Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and welcome to TinkerHUNT 22. Friends, once again, this is a Tinkercad scavenger hunt where if you give me a correct solution, I'll give you a shout out in next week's video and TinkerHUNT. Friends, first things first, let's get to the shout out. As you remember, I always put it on house number 2's wall. We have congratulations to Ruby, who's got 4 straight, Quentin, who's got 3 straight, Latasha and Bria have their 2 straight, so you've got their streaks after it. And then also we had Cartier, Josh, Caden, and Ivan that all solved week 20. Thank you all for participating and good luck solving this one so you can keep your streaks alive. Friends, remember when you give a solution, all you're doing is telling me where all 5 items are. You can do it in one long sentence, you can do it in little chunks. All are acceptable ways, and there are several ways you can get me a solution. Of course, the easiest way is to reply to this YouTube video, but if you can't do that, you can also just visit my website, HLModTech.com. It's got a page dedicated to Tinkercad with a ton of awesome lessons, but better for you at that moment, you can use the built-in messaging service to shoot me a solution immediately. If you got a question about anything, you can also use the messaging tool for that as well. Of course, you can also find me at HLModTech on Facebook, Instagram, and Gmail. You can also find me on Twitter. I am HLTinkerCad. Remember, friends, the Tinker Hunt is based on 5 hidden items. There is a jack-o'-lantern, a rocket, there is Blanky with the get cracking on his chest, there is the celebrating kid with the HLMT, and the unicorn dude. They are all hidden in tiny locations, and your job's to find them and tell me where they were hiding. Searching works like this. You should click on any item and hit F to zoom in. That is called Fit View. You can then right-click drag to look around. You can also use the View Cube to look around. You should hit Control H to hide things. You can also hit T, which is transparent, to look inside them. You can also hit the Delete key to get rid of things completely. This is the master, so I'm going to undelete that. You can also hit home to back out and see the whole world. If the notes are in your way, you can hide them. Of course, if you want instructions, you can go back to those notes at any time. Friends, as you play with these Tinker Hunts, if you see a favorite piece or maybe an inside joke that I've added, feel free to mention that in the comments as well. I'd love to have you guys suggest what I should hide next, or maybe places I should be hiding stuff, or just the next piece that I add to the Tinker Hunt as I keep trying to make them more interesting and fun. Friends, of course, there'll be a new one every Sunday, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you have a question, comment, or solution, add it down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.